Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America, and folks, things are getting real. Georgia District Attorney Fani Willis, the one who's prosecuting Trump, well, she's talking jail time, and she's not kidding. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. It is so important to this channel's growth. Without you guys, we can't continue. So you guys are the lifeblood, and we need you, and we appreciate it. Fani Willis was giving an interview, and she was actually talked about the real possibility of Donald Trump going to jail. And what she said is he would not be given any special treatment, and that jail basically is on the table for him. However, Fani Willis doesn't get to make that call. Not even the courts get to make that call. The Secret Service, if Trump were put in jail, would have to cordon off a section of the jail just for him, would have to make incredible arrangements. The fact of the matter is, even if Trump were convicted, the worst, he would likely get his house arrest. Most legal experts have weighed in on this. But what Fani Willis had to say was particularly interesting, definitely playing to her audience. I think she wants to be the governor of Georgia, the next Stacey Abrams. And I want you to watch this clip of her. I also want to remind you to like, comment, and share because it does really help us out. I'm Carmine Sabia for Explain America. We love you guys. God bless you. Take care, everybody, and watch this clip.
I want to pivot because we have some new sound from the district attorney in Fulton County, Fani Willis. She's obviously overseeing the Georgia election subversion case against Trump. Nick Valencia spoke with her a short time ago. Let's listen to what she said.
I know that in the media and even in the world, we like instant gratification. The judicial process is a long process, and so we'll be here with that case for a while.
When I get asked that I'm covering this story, many people say, the former president's already gone to jail. Will he see prison time? What do you think about that?
I think that everyone in society is the same, and I don't know why that's such a difficult concept for people. You can look at the charges, and based on those charges, we'll be recommending appropriate sentences. No one gets a special break because of their status.
To the point that Michael was making.
Right. I think that's the point I've been making all along, and that is just the argument being made sort of on the ground that somehow he's not entitled to different treatment until it somehow benefits the Justice Department. So that's really where we are at this place. Whether or not he goes to jail, I think that's so far down the road. And I will remind you that while she talks about the trial and the judicial process taking a long time and the wheels don't move quickly, remember that her office asked to try this case against all 19 co-defendants within about 60 days because a couple of them filed a speedy trial request under state law. So it does take a long time, and I think she now recognizes that the likelihood of the Trump case, at least that piece of it, so there may be some other sub cases, some pieces of that big RICO case that go separately, but the likelihood of trying the Trump case, I think, is not something we're going to see in 2024 in Georgia.
I'm curious to see if Trump's attorneys perhaps echo some of the arguments that Michael just made. Really a fascinating conversation. Michael Moore, Joan Biskupic, Jessica Schneider, thank you all so much.